I used to have a very bad YouTube video sound quality, just as you can hear it. After recording my video on my PC, I found out that the quality is just not too good. Not until I found this software online that helped me increase the quality of my video sound, just as you also can listen to right now. This helped my YouTube videos gain more engagement and also increase my YouTube subscribers. So if you are watching this video and you don't have a studio where you record your YouTube videos, or you don't have most of the big gadgets that are being used by big YouTubers to get a good sound quality for your videos, just stay tuned to this video to the end, because I'll be showing you how to get best quality for your YouTube videos. Alright, okay, as you can see, I have my CapCut open here, and the reason why I have my CapCut open, I use CapCut to edit most of my videos, and CapCut is really very easy to use. So in case you don't have CapCut on your PC or on your mobile phone, check in the description. You'll see a link where you'll be able to download CapCut for free. What I mean for free, you can use the pro features for free with that link in the description of this video. Okay, so let's just go. First thing first, we are going to be extracting the audio of the video, which I'm going to be doing right away. So I'm just going to right click the video, then I'll click on extract audio. So as you can see, the audio has already been extracted. So I have that there already. So I'm just going to go over to export. So I'm going over to export, and I'm going to be exporting just the audio for this particular video. So we just need the audio, so we'll be able to work on the audio to have a good audio quality. So when the site is done working on the audio quality, so we'll have it back to CapCut and merge it back with the video. So I'm just going to be exporting the audio. So I'm going to click export. Good, it's done. So I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go over to my tab here, and I'll open a new tab for this. So as you can see, this is a new tab, and the site we'll be using to get a very good audio quality is called Auphonic.com. So you just have to check the description of this video and you'll find the link to this website here. So as you can see, I already have my logins on the site already. I've already logged in on the site. So if you are a new user, all you just have to do is to go over to the login section and log in your account so you can start using Auphonic.com. Alright, so after creating an account with Auphonic, you'll be given a 2-hour free trial to create and automatically edit your audio. All you just have to do when you finish creating your account, you come over to this place where it says drop audio or video file. I'm just going to click over to this place to upload my file. Alright, I've just uploaded my file, so I'm just going to click on start processing so that Auphonic can automatically work on my audio and give me the best quality for my audio. So you just have to allow it to finish uploading. When it's done uploading, it will proceed to the next stage. Alright, welcome back. Just as you can see, I just finished working on the audio and we have our perfect audio quality. So but just to note, Auphonic adds a intro to your original sound, which can always be removed from your from when you are doing the editing process. So let's just quickly listen to this and see what it gives. I used to have a very bad YouTube video sound quality. After recording my video on my PC, I found out that the quality... Alright, wow. So you can see the difference between the original video and that which has been worked on by Auphonic. So that's how you get all video processed automatically, and it gives you a good and very high quality audio for your YouTube videos. So all you just have to do, just like I said, is to click on the link in the description to try out this amazing site and this amazing feature, so you can start having good quality audio for all of your YouTube videos and enjoy more engagement and get more subscribers to your channel. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also to like this video for more interesting and educative video and content from this channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Yeah, bye.